Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 90. We are on Phonics. So Phonics 5, Activity 1, Listen and Match. So frankly, this is among the hardest work in this workbook. So this is Phonics. So as you can see here, I already wrote this adjective in green color as well as others. So I already read for you. So later I will play the audio. So before I play the audio, I want to share with you some of the phonetic symbols here. So we have this Greek symbol. So this is theta basically. So the sound is TH. And then this is a Latin alphabet. So written as inverted 6. And then we have a diagonal line here. So this is sound like ETH. So for year 3 people, maybe you don't not quite understand because this is a linguistic sense. So maybe never mind. You just learn as you could. So and we have this SH. So the symbol is elongated S like that. And then we have CH. We have a T and then with the S symbol. As well as this one, TCH. So as you can see in your student's book, page 109. So this is a Phonics 5. So as you can see here, both these share the same alphabet, the phonetic symbol. So we have T and then we have elongated S here. So now I will play the audio. So as you can see here, so thin. So the TH is theta. And then if you want to confirm, you can always search for dictionary, the IPA symbols for this word here. So as to make this workbook in this exercise as simple as possible, so I won't go through the dictionary. So I will just go through the dictionary very briefly. So I will share with you another page. So this is the dictionary, the back pages. So maybe you can search for pronunciation symbols here. So we have this theta symbol, and then we have this elongated S here, and then we as well as we have this Latin alphabet, the ETH, and etc. So basically this is you're learning consonants. So now I will play the audio.
Workbook, Phonics 5, Activity 1, Listen and Match. 1. Thin, thin. 2. This, this. 3. Tooth, tooth. 4. 13, 13. 5. That, that. 6. Catch, catch. 7. Peach, peach. 8. Fish, fish. 9. Sandwich, sandwich. 10. Chair, chair. 11. Wash, wash.
So just now I stopped for a while because I don't want to overwhelm you. So number 6 is TCH. So number 6, I just draw a line here. And then number 7, peach. So we have CH. So it's right here. And then number 8, fish. Number 9, CH. Number 10, chair. So we have CH also. And then 11, we have SH. So this line may be a bit messy here, so you look carefully. So this is among the hardest part in this workbook, basically. So number 2, we have this activity 2. Look, say and write the cross sign for the word that doesn't belong. So we have number 1, 30, teen, and brother. So basically this is theta symbol. This is also theta symbol, and then this is the ETH, brother, which means this symbol is here, this is here, and then this is here. And then we have number 2. Number 2, mother, mouth, grandfather. So the and the. So number 2, this one belongs to the same group. So mouth. So this one we need to cross here. And then number 3. Okay, number 3 we have father, thirsty, teeth. So number 3 basically is the answer is A here. So because this one we have the sound here, so this is stronger sound compared to this one, thirsty, teeth. So this we cross this one. And then number 4, this, grandmother, throw. So obviously this is a slightly softened sound as well as this one. And then the correct answer is C. So we cross here, or number 4. And then number 5, we have chicken, fish, chair. So by looking at the alphabets, so SH is different from CH and CH. So number 5, straightforward. So number 5 is B. So because the sound is fish, SH rather than CH. And then we have number 6, shirt, shipped, beach. So this is SH, SH, this is CH. So obviously, so this is the answer. So that's it for this page. So this is a bit hard for you maybe. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it, you can join it.